Hey everybody, this is James Stanger from CompTIA, and we just finished up the Geekulcha ITWeb Hackathon, the version of the hackathon here in Kimberley, and I'm here at the airport. And it was just really exciting. We had some fantastic students. I think we were somewhat worried, who's going to show up. And there were like 40, 50 students. The winners involved people who did red teaming and pen testing. You should have seen how far these folks got into breaking into systems and then creating great reports. We had blue teamers who did a fantastic job of using AI-enabled tools to actually discover hacks. We also had in our Secure Innovation Challenge a couple of fantastic winners. One of them came up with a proxy that actually can take a look at communications from SCADA devices, operational technology devices, and basically take a look and see if there's some sort of attack going on. And that uses a lot of AI modeling. We also had students that did work in coming up with an app that basically can help people using ATMs under duress, like if they're somehow being forced to by an attacker, that it can create false information that makes the attacker go away. We just had some fantastic, innovative thoughts. Tiani is just so brilliant at putting all of this together, and it's really exciting for us at CompTIA to be working with Snowed and with Telspace, and also with the Northern Cape Department of Economic Development. For example, Rod Gruen, he acted as one of the judges.
Hi guys, well done for a solid couple of days. Hope you applied your minds diligently. Looking forward to what you all have produced and wishing you the best of success going forward.
Hi everyone, my name is Geekulcha. I'm from Telspace. We are the bad guys. My team there, proud of you, everyone. You have great ideas, so all the best.
Hello everyone, my name is Jason Frenica. I am the threat intelligence lead at Snowed and a threat defender. Well done guys. It was a tough 2 days, I know, everyone's tired, but we're really looking forward to seeing what you guys have put together for us.
We also had people from the university, Saul Platka.
I'm Witkoppen. As I said Friday, I'm starting there tomorrow in a few hours' time as the university's CISO, and congratulations to everybody that's actually participating.
We were all able to work together and help these students apply themselves. And by apply themselves, I mean they came up with business plans, they came up with code, they came up with demos of these things. There's nothing theoretical about this. It was all hands-on and practical. So one of the final things that we did here is we gave an award to a fantastic young man who's neurodiverse, and we gave him a golden ticket, and in September he's going to a hackathon in person from Kimberley to Johannesburg, and he'll be doing a special representation of red teaming. So lots of things have been happening, lots of excitement. Let's see, I'm getting on the plane. I'm heading to Johannesburg, where we're going to do the second installment of that to an even bigger group.